Because EFCC cannot go around harassing some boys, young boys, and somebody with a godfather will be pulling stunts. I was detained in the prison. My very good friend, Sean Kuti, was detained as well. A lot of boys are inside the prison. Bobrisky is not any way better than them.
Very national.
Verydarkman. You're right there.
That new building, you might have put 3 2s or something.
It was well detailed and well explained. How I got hold of that recording is as a result of Bobrisky. Somebody he owes money. So according to the story and according to the evidence that a proof of chat that was sent to me, the person borrowed Bobrisky 4 million naira when Bobrisky was in the EFCC detention, or rather in the private apartment lodge. The person gave him the money on the on the 19/6/2024. The person gave him the money, 4 million naira. It was transferred to this account number 0496411279. Abiola Okuneye, and as you know, Bobrisky's name is Okuneye, probably Kuda. So apparently it's his brother's account. So when it was time to get the money back, according to the story the guy told me and the evidence I saw, he told Bobrisky he wanted that money to complete his build in Lagos. So that was why I borrowed him the money. So it's now time to pay. From the receipt I have here, sent him a message. Bobrisky refused to respond. Sent him another one after like a few days. Bobrisky also refused to respond. When Bobrisky eventually responded, Bobrisky said, I'm going to give you the money in, I think, September. So September 1st, the guy reached out to Bobrisky again. Bobrisky refused. And the next thing that followed it was blackmail. He said, I'll tell them that you're and you are kissing me. So the guy felt very, very somehow, because he felt like he was not going to get his money. God so kind, there's Verydarkman that has the platform to call out the people that owes money and they will pay. So a friend of mine who is very popular contacted me and he said, VDA, see what's going on. And I said, okay, no problem. If you have received, send it. Then when he sent it, now I'll say something here. When he sent it, immediately I made a video, I first video and I said, Bobrisky, I'm giving you 4 hours to pay back. Then he started begging the guy. Now what I'm going to say that my lawyer doesn't even know. Now, he started begging the guy, then he paid. Immediately, he paid. But when I listened to the audio, I said, nah, even though you pay, this has to go there out there, man. Because EFCC cannot go around harassing some boys, young boys, and somebody with a godfather will be pulling stunts. I was detained in the prison. My very good friend, Sean Kuti, was detained as well. A lot of boys are inside the prison. Bobrisky is not any way better than them. So I didn't see any reason why I should keep the audio. I kept the receipt of his payment, which he paid that day. So immediately I got it, which was on Tuesday, September 24th, on Tuesday, just 6 days ago, I think. Then the chats acknowledging when he was disturbing the guy that he wants to refund immediately after he saw my video. And then yes, the chats where he blackmailed the guy. There's a particular place where he blackmailed the guy. The chart also asking for the money. As a reminder, we would like to read one part for September 4th. He said, "Dear Bobrisky, this is a reminder for the return of the loan amount of 4 million naira as agreed. The due date for the return is September 1st. Mind you, this September 1st it was Bobrisky that gave him the date." Then he said, "Kindly use the attachment account details to send the refund." Then he sent his account number. So because he didn't get it, he came to me. So I'll read the part of the blackmail that made him. Because, yes, I would like to verify that the guy said he's not gay. I don't know, I don't live with him, but he has kids. So he said he's not gay. Okay, so this part, after requesting, sorry. So this part, the guy was not saying things like, "I helped you when you needed help. When it's time to pay me back, I'm requesting you, this is not fair. How will you pay me like this?" Then Bobrisky went on to say, "When you kiss me, did you give me any money? Your visit to Nigeria that you kissed me in Lagos, did you give me anything? I didn't ask you for money. No, because I am fucking okay. If not EFCC, you think I'm going to ask you for money?" Does that mean it's because of EFCC that you for money? I know. If not EFCC, do you think I'm going to ask you for money? You are typing all this message to someone help you post flyers without collecting anything from you. Wow. Go ahead and call me out. I will respond to you on IG. You know I am shameless and I don't care. You will get your money, I have your account. I don't want to look like someone that is ungrateful. But that you give me 24 hours is the height of it. I am waiting for you to post or call me out. So apparently the guy told him he was going to tell me. So these are the evidence I'm going to present for now. Additionally, after this, there's the second one and there's the third one. Very natural.
That new building, you might have 3 2 or something.